So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to give you a quick fix if the settings of your Windows 11 is keep crashing. Now, in order to fix that, simply run the command prompt as the administrator on your system. You can easily find it on the start menu. Hit run as administrator right there. Now, once you do that, hit yes. Now here you need to type a prompt that is sfc space / scan now. Now once you do that, let me just make the fonts bigger for you if it's possible right there. Now here all you need to do is to just simply run that particular prompt. Now once you do that, it will take some time. Start the scanning process, and after this all process is done, just give it will solve all the issues, and it will find and solve all the issues on your Windows. Now give a restart to your system, and that's definitely gonna solve your issue. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.